Hi guys, welcome back. I'm back with another hair review. Excuse my voice, you guys. Yeah, it's a covering. So I actually recorded the video of this hair when I did it. But this is me just coming. This is like, I think this is like 2-3 weeks now. I've had the hair, and I'm also gonna post the video of the night that I first did it, like a couple weeks ago. So yeah, this hair is the Samba twist 50 inches. I really love it. It's like my go-to hair. This is like my third time getting this hair within the past 3 years. I normally get it during the summertime, but I decided to get it this winter because I just needed a hairstyle that would just help me stay focused on school, and I don't have to worry about anything when I wake up in the morning and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys, this is it. I could part it anyway. This is the back. Let me probably get up. Okay, so I'm about like 5'10", so it's long. So if it reaches like back here, so it's really long, and I love it because it looks so natural. Even the older it gets, and my hair really gets really old fast because I'm natural. But you know, the older it gets, the natural it looks. You know, like I'm loving this, you guys. I use 5 packs. So 5 packs is really all you need, honestly. Like, I have a big head, so if 5 packs is enough, and I didn't really leave a lot of space at the back, like, you should be fine with 5 packs as well. And this was the hair I was initially gonna get before the other crochet hair I did, you know, before. But when I went to the store where I normally get it, they didn't have it. So I actually ordered this from Sam's Beauty, and they had a really special sale the day I ordered it. It was like $3.99. And I think it was like buy one get one free or something like that. But I grabbed like 6-7 packs, and you know, I only was able to use 5, but the other ones could be for my next install. But yeah, you guys, I really love it. It's one of my go-to like summer hairstyles slash, you know, protective hairstyles, and it really lasts. I think, honestly, don't judge me. The last time I did this hairstyle, I literally carried it for like 2 months. Yes. So, and it was still looking fine, okay? So, it wasn't like, I didn't even know I carried it for 2 months until I was like, bruh, like, I really, like, did this hair, like, you know, this day, and I realized, okay, yeah, it's time for it to go. But it wasn't even bad when I took it out. I just took it out because I was like, okay, let me just do something different. And school's about to start around that time, yeah. So, yeah, you guys, I really love this hair. Let me actually take it off this ponytail thing. So this is it. So yeah, I really love this hair. I normally don't wear it like this. I wore it like the first week like this, but lately I've just been trying to pull it back just because I just don't want it in my face when I'm trying to do stuff, you know, with work and class and, you know, just stuff like that. But this is it. I could part it anyhow. This is it in middle part. Yeah, it's really nice. Really nice. Really nice. I normally like my hair on the side, so that's probably how I wear it. Yep. So if you have any questions with this hair, just let me know. It's really not much that I do with it. I just literally wear, what's my big bonnet? At nighttime, let me show you guys what I do. Okay, hold on. Okay, so at nighttime, I don't really do much. I just take a scrunchie, and I just, okay, actually, I don't even use a scrunchie sometimes. I just take the back like this. I just tie it. I tie it like so. You guys don't laugh at me, but I'm about to like pull out my night bonnet. This is my favorite bonnet. It fits my big hairstyles, and I just tuck it in. Tuck it in. Yep. And that's it, you guys. Like, I just put this on. I go to sleep. I wake up next morning, just take this off, throw it somewhere, unravel. Well, untie the knot, basically. And just like keep it moving. That's how easy this hairstyle is. Like, and it doesn't take time. It took me like 2.5 hours, both with braiding and like putting the hair in. Like this is why I love crochet, you guys. This is why I love crochet. It's just simple, and it lasts, and it just makes your life easy, you know. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, you know. Like, I'll definitely do better with like posting the videos earlier. I know it's just like life just sometimes gets in the way, but I'm intentional this year. This is my year. I'm gonna be intentional with YouTube. And yeah, just let me know how you like it, you guys, and feel free to ask me any questions. I'm here to let you know what I know about this hair, okay? So thanks for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.